Well, good morning, world. This is Carol Browne Earl coming to you from Bristol, Virginia. How's everybody doing today? Today, I'm going to challenge people. The new weight loss program that I'm in is absolutely fabulous. First time in my life ever. I'm 65 that I've been able to lose 1 pound. I gained so much weight after my last child. That was number 4. Never been able to get rid of it since until this program. And what I did is I took a 7-day challenge before I decided to come in to see if the products are any good. Do they work? What is this? Learn about it. And 2 days in to this program, I lost 5 pounds in 2 days. Total was 9 pounds for the week. But oh my God, I could feel it. I felt better. It's just, this is awesome. This is so cool. So I'm just going to challenge you all who wants to take a 7-day challenge and check this stuff out. You will not be sorry. It's amazing. I put a little information with the video, and there is a link in there, for that challenge. But guys, this is just, I am so pumped on this. Been a little on the ill side past couple days, but I'm back. I'm feeling better today. So who knows? I may reach out to you personally, but do give it a shot. This system, what it does is it regulates your body's natural ability to burn fat. So many diets and things that people go on, it's not concentrating on burning the fat in your body. It has all those carbohydrates in there, and your body's tricked into thinking that's fat. So they're constantly trying to get rid of that and never really reaches the real root of the problem is the fat. And this company I'm with is absolutely, I can't praise them enough because I am so stoked. I am so sated. I am just so amazed that, those first 2 days, I was walking around here like an idiot, so excited. So, because I want to lose another 30 to 40 pounds and I'll be good. So, but I'm going to challenge you today. Take that 7-day challenge. See what you think. Get one for yourself, your spouse, a friend, whatever. This stuff is amazing. And for me, it was a godsend. And it works. So check it out. Let me know what you think if you do it. Let me know, how, your 7-day challenge, came out and how much weight that you've lost. Hi, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Because it's just absolutely amazing. It was God sent to me. So anyway, that's all I wanted to let you know, is give you the opportunity to try the 7-day challenge. See what I'm talking about. Especially you all who could never get rid of that fat. You've tried 95 million things like I have, and nothing ever seems to work. Do this. Do the 7-day challenge. Don't cheat. And once you get it and you need to figure out exactly what to do once you do have it, the steps that you should do every day, I'll give you that, okay? Because I've got that down too. So, but anyway, guys, check it out. You will absolutely love it. So let's bring that sexy young figure back that we all had many years ago. Or if you're young and heavy and want that same figure, check this out. 7 days. Easy peasy. So anyway, God bless. And I hope to be hearing about your weight loss soon. Bye for now.